So after seeing the demo in my native app, so all the images are being stored here in the Firebase uh, in the users list. So for a particular user, I have one image here. For this particular user, I have two images. So for this particular user, I have three images. So likewise, and I am also, when creating the account, I am also storing their details like first name, last name, and username. So totally I have four users currently now, that you can see here. So getting into the code, so in the app.module.ts page, I have imported all the modules components that are using to my that I'm going to use in my application. So namely Angular, Firebase, and Canberra. So the Angular, Firebase, and everything will be declared here, will be imported here. Sorry, and the camera will be included in the provider. Then in my sign in page, before to that, in component tiers, I set the root page as my sign in page. So once I get into sign in page, I also instantiated my Angular Firebase using this Firebase configuration of my account here. So in the sign in page, I have created a form that will take username and password, and when on click, it will call sign in page. If I want to go for a new user, it will navigate to register page. So in the sign in page, I have imported Angular FireAuth and iAuth from the Firebase and Firebase 2 libraries respectively. Then in the constructor, I call I instantiated the Angular FireAuth, and uh, on calling the login page on the login function, I am calling the Firebase sign in with pop-up. This is for Google sign in. Sorry. Then for the normal sign in, that is with sign in with email and password, I am calling this function and calling sign in with email and password and passing the username and password here. So once the username and password is validated, I am navigating to tabs page. So before going to tabs page, let me show you what will happen in sign up page, that is register page. So I have created a simple form, username, first name, last name, password, and confirm password. On click, it is calling the register button. So here also the same thing, we imported and instantiated FireAuth and Fire database, as you can see here. So on calling register, I'm checking the password and confirm password are same. If that is so, I'm creating the Firebase, calling the this particular API, that is create user with email and password. Once it has been created, I'm I'm pushing these particular users to the Firebase list users. Then I'm navigating to sign in page. So in this tabs page, so in the tabs page, I have three tabs, that is home, about, contact, and logout. So on logout, I'm calling the sign out function. I'm just signing out to sign in page. So when coming to home page, I have created a click snap that will call camera native